What's up guys, my name's Arik and welcome to my channel. So we are finally going to be able to review the Shadow High dolls that I received. I had been receiving maybe 2 already, but I was waiting for this one so I could start doing the videos. And honestly, so far, just, kind of glancing, it's not a disappointment. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing Miss Shanelle Onyx. She is honestly, so far from the ones that I've gotten, my favorite. I love her second outfit, so I'm just gonna put her close to you guys so you can see her really quick. Do that. There's the second outfit with the other pair of shoes, and in the back of the box you can see that they have all of the Shadow High characters. I will also be reviewing the other 2 that I received. I'm not gonna say who they are yet, but those videos will be coming up. So we're going to already unbox her, and I cannot wait to see everything that she comes with. But before we get started with that, I do want to say that I'm going to do a little mystery box giveaway. So I'm going to do 3 different ones, or maybe 2, 3. Let's do 3. I'm going to do 3 different ones. It's going to be stuff that I already have. It might be some new stuff, some old, not old stuff, but some pre-owned stuff. It can be, some Barbie stuff. It could be some Rainbow High stuff. It can be just little stuff stuff that I feel would go into a doll collector's box. So what I want you to do is I want you to comment down below, go into my Instagram at this.mini.arik and comment into Miss Shanelle Onyx's photo. I'm going to be choosing a winner soon. Be sure to follow my channel and be sure to follow me on my Instagram page in order for you to qualify. I will be messaging the 3 winners for details and sending you guys information. The only thing is that the participants, or in order to win, you must be living in the US. And that's it. Now let's get started with this. So I noticed right away that the boxing for it is a little different. As far as being able to take them out of the box, I guess I didn't have as much trouble as I did, or as I do with my normal Rainbow High dolls. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with her stand and show you guys that right now. She comes with the black stand with, it has like some little studs on it. And it's black, or an onyx color, and with some glitter. It has this little the actual stand, and then it has the holder. I never know what this is actually called. I don't know what it's called. I call it a holder. If you know what it is called, let me know, aside from it being a stand, of course. So we're gonna set it here because we're going to have her stand in a little bit, no pun intended. So then we're moving on to her outfit. So the second outfit that she comes with is oh, I like this. This is different. So it comes in an actual little box that you can put in. The other ones were the plastic, you had to kind of take it off, which is not bad, but I like that it's in the box because I can actually take it out and display it and show it to you and all that good stuff. So it's a little cute little black skirt with a silver and black pattern, and it comes with the black top with some silver studs, and it also comes with a ruffled jacket, or a ruffled shoulder jacket, which I really love. It gives me very 80s vibe, and it's like very rocker chick. So I do love that. And let me show you the shoes. I'm assuming we can take out of the box as well. Oh, these shoes are cool. So the shoes are pretty awesome. Let me do that. So they're black, and they have, is it silver? It has like silver little stone on top. So that's pretty cool. So I'm pretty happy with that second outfit. I'm loving her original outfit, which is pretty awesome as well. So let me take her out of the box and unbox her completely so I can show her to you. So a huge plus right now so far about the boxing or the packaging is that you can easily remove her from the box. A lot of the times I spend a lot more time trying to get them out of the box than actually reviewing the video, which is a little ridiculous. But hers was not difficult at all, aside that I used like my little knife to kind of cut all the plastics out, but it was fairly easy to take her out, which I love. So yeah, let me go ahead and kind of pose her already to show you guys what she looks like. Oh my god, she's so pretty. There she is. Here she is. So she has her little black or some onyx earrings, and then she has her silver colored makeup. She has long black hair in a ponytail and has one long streak. It's very Rogue from X-Men. So she has that long streak also. I'm loving her dress. Her dress is like an ombre style colored dress. So it goes from black to gray to a lighter gray, even lighter gray, and then white in the bottom. And it's a ruffled dress. She comes with her strappy heels, and then the heel they have like a bow in the front, which I don't think you can actually tell, but I'm gonna try to show you right there. And then she's also wearing some lace socks, which I love that they did that little details on her. Her eyelashes are rooted, and obviously in her hair she's wearing a little bow with a little diamond on top. And then right on her arm, her left arm, she's wearing a silver bracelet. So all of her body is articulated except for the ankles, but everything else, just like every other Rainbow High doll, they are articulated. So I don't know if you've noticed this, but her nails are silver as well, and I'm really loving her. I don't know if I want to put her in the other outfit, although it would be pretty awesome to do so. But yeah, I honestly give this one, maybe because I was so excited. I've been so excited to actually receive her or receive them, but I want to give her a 10 out of 10 in as far as my rating. The details on her face are pretty good. I haven't seen any pixelation on the makeup. I know some people have said that there's some pixelation on either their lips or their eyes, but mine came pretty good. I'm loving the little baby hairs that they paint on them. That's a big plus as far as what I like from them. And yeah, her second outfit is pretty awesome. Her shoes are pretty cool, and I cannot wait to have her on my shelf along with my Rainbow High dolls. And then I can't wait to show you the other two that I got, which hopefully I can get more. I did order her on Amazon, and she was $29.99. I got the other two originally at Amazon, but then Target has them in stores already, so I was able to cancel my order from Amazon and get them from Target. Aside from that, Target sometimes has coupons where you can get a certain percentage off when you buy like 50 or 100 or something. So that was a good plus, or that was a great plus for me as far as getting the dolls. And you know what? I think I am wrong. I honestly think I don't have two more. I want to say I have all of them, except for one. Simply because I'm looking on the side and I see two of them, and then I saw in my kitchen that I have another two, and I'm wrong. I think I have all of them. I have 5 of them. I just need to look for the last one, and I'll show you guys all of them. I'm telling you, I've had them for a while. I was waiting for her, and because I've had them, I guess I forgot how many I actually had. But yeah, so this is it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell to get a notification every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, don't forget about that mystery box giveaway. So like I mentioned, it can be some new things, it can be some pre-owned things. Even though they are pre-owned, I'm going to tell you, they are practically new because I only use them for photo shoots. So instead of throwing them out or anything, I do want to donate them, or not donate them, I want to give them away as a little mystery box type of thing, make it fun for other collectors rather than people that are actually going to care for them. So do that. comment down below. Go into my Instagram, comment on the picture of Miss Shanelle Onyx, and we will talk to you guys soon. Bye.